Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. I've got my good friend Chad Boyd with us from Overland Addict in Nixon, Missouri. Chad, what do you guys sell at your store?
We are a premium overland shop, so we sell gear like premium products, Darchi, National Luna, Max Trax, all the good stuff you've seen on YouTube, all the premium brands, that's what we sell. So anything you're going to need for your trip, whether it's a weekend expedition or 2-week expedition, we got you covered.
Now when somebody comes to your store and they don't know, they're just getting into it or they've been doing it for 50 years, can they count on you for some good advice? Or
Absolutely.
Yeah,
if you're just getting started, we can help you, gives you some advice for your builds. If you've got a completely stock rig, we can help you get kitted out. If you've got a rig that's already built, we can help you add to that, so yeah.
You know what I love about coming down to your store?
What's that?
Is you're not the only one I'm going to get advice from. You've got a really nice lounge area there at your store, which is kind of what inspired us to do what we're doing tonight. But when I come down there, there's always 2 or 3 people hanging out, just having a cup of coffee, or I think you have a soda machine that's not full of soda.
Nice soda machine.
Yeah, but you can always come down and visit with like-minded people and just really kind of cut your teeth.
Yeah.
And join in on the experience. And that's what we're here to show you guys tonight. With the help of Chad, what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna make a cool drink, right?
Yeah, that's right.
How cool is it?
It's called the Bee's Knees.
It must be pretty cool. Tell me how to make this thing and let all our friends know too.
All right, so we're gonna start off with a little Bombay gin. So we're gonna do 4 ounces in the shaker here.
That's the good stuff. I like the Bombay. If you're doing something with cucumber, I kind of like a Hendrix, but when we've got a citrus forward, I like the Bombay.
Next, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our honey simple syrup.
So we used this honey simple syrup in another drink that we did, didn't we?
We did.
The Gold Rush.
The Gold Rush, that's right.
Which was a crowd favorite. The honey simple syrup I made at the house. We'll put the recipe for this in the description below.
Yeah, so people at home can try it.
Super easy. I made 3 or 4 simple syrups before I left. So, yep.
Next thing we're going to do is take a little lemon, squeeze it into our drink here.
Let's see what your shaking skills.
Action going
yeah,
on
get that.
Get
those elbows up. Get them up there. There we go. Yeah.
All right. Next thing we got to do, we got to get the nice ice cubes.
Oh, I love these ice cubes.
These nice clear block ice cubes. I love them.
You don't have to bring these with you overlanding on camping trips, but we fortunately had the freezer that we needed. And, you know, a lot of people drink beer when they go camping, and I like to have something a little bit nicer, but yeah. We made a drink with beer earlier. We made a red beer.
We did, didn't we? It was great. So we'll just pour this in our glass here. Last step, we're going to garnish a little bit of lemon twist here.
Yeah. Now the thing about the lemon twist, you want to kind of just skin the lemon, fold it in half like a taco, and give it the twist, and that's how you get the zest in it.
Get a little zestiness.
And you'd be surprised how much flavor you get out of just a little lemon twist.
All right, let's see how they taste, man.
Smells good.
Smells great.
Smells really good.
Like a lemon drop.
Yeah,
Cheers,
I love it. Cheers. Wow.
That might be my favorite yet.
This is really fantastic.
That's incredible.
If I was just a guy that happened to be attending an event in Springfield, Missouri, on April 8th, 9th, and 10th, where would I get something like this?
Well, the event you're probably speaking of is MOORE Expo. And if you go to the MOORE Expo and go to the Overland Addict recovery room, we're going to be making drinks just like this one. Come hang out in the lounge, have a drink, take a load off, come try one of these drinks. Yeah,
come relax, have a cocktail. I heard there's going to be a map reading room, so anybody that's new to the area can come in. They'll have a couple local experts that'll be showing all the super top secret great campsites and all the fun trails. Just a wonderful atmosphere. So come in, relax at the Overland Addict recovery room and get homey, because it's gonna be home.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Thanks.